Today I share with you all how you can make simple but absolutely delicious groundnut soup. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I will start by toasting the groundnuts. In a fry pan, I just added the groundnuts which I already peeled them and then I removed the bad ones. I just add it to the fry pan and then I started stirring everything together. This toasting takes about 3 to 5 minutes before you can get the perfect toast. Once it's perfectly toasted, I just go ahead and remove it from the heat and then set it aside. Here I have some pepper, I have some chili pepper, and I have some red onion, some crayfish as well, and I have some red bell pepper, okay? That is red bell pepper, it is not tomato. I bring it out of the freezer, that is why it's looking like that. I'll go ahead and blend them roughly. In another pan, I go ahead and add some turkey stock, add a few pieces of turkey, and I'll go ahead and add the roughly blended pepper as well. Added more water to the stock. I stir everything together, cover the pot and allow to boil. While it's boiling, I'll go ahead and blend the groundnuts. Back to the pot, everything is looking so good and they are cooking perfectly well. I just go ahead and add the blended peanuts. Once I add the peanuts, I add 2 tablespoons of palm oil just to give it that traditional taste of peanut soup, alright? Once I add the palm oil, I go ahead and stir everything together and continue to cook. The soup has been cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes now on a medium heat, alright? I just go ahead and add my spices and I add a teaspoon of pepper soup spice. Reason for the pepper soup spice is because I did have calabash nutmeg. And you guys know that pepper soup spice contain calabash nutmeg and uziza and the rest of them, alright? Anything that requires calabash nutmeg, I always substitute with pepper soup spice, alright? Once I add the pepper soup spice, I stir everything together and I taste for seasoning. And I didn't need salt or seasoning cube, alright? I stir everything together, cover it and continue to cook. And at this stage, everything is looking so good. It's almost done, alright? I just add some bitter leaf and some fish and I give everything a quick stir. And I just allow the soup to simmer on a medium to low heat again for extra 15 minutes. At this stage, our soup is ready. As you guys can see, the oil has settled on top, so I know that the soup is perfectly cooked. I just give it a final go stir. You guys, the taste, the aroma, it's absolutely amazing. You need to go and try this recipe. I just went ahead and set it aside and make quick eba. Alright, here I have my water. The water is already boiled. I want to make yellow eba, but I didn't have yellow garri. Alright, I just drop a few drops of palm oil and I go ahead and add my garri and I started stirring it. This is how I turn white garri to yellow garri, if that makes sense, alright? Let me know in the comment section which type of eba did you like. Did you like the white one or the yellow one? Personally, I prefer the yellow one. Let me know in the comment section. Leave a comment down below, alright? That is it guys for today's video and I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.